Okay, so in this part of the course, we're talking about the voltage levels that keep changing throughout the code. And we've got two different pictures on the screen, one of a 600 volt AC or DC fuse and one of a 1000 volt AC or DC fuse. And these are commonly used in photovoltaic systems or solar systems. And the question is, would the fuse on the left, the 600 volt fuse, would it be suitable in a PV source circuit where we have 15 PV modules or solar panels wired in series if each of those modules had an open circuit voltage of 42 volts? And the interesting thing about wiring in series is when you wire in series, your voltage is additive, but your current stays the same. So if we've got this one particular PV module that has a voltage of 42 volts and 8 amps of current, when we add another one to it, we double the voltage, but the current stays the same. 42 plus 42 is 84, plus another 42 is 126, plus another 42 volts is 168, plus another 42 volts is 210 volts. Notice the current is staying the same at 8 amps, even with all of these modules wired in series. The current stays the same, and so on and so forth until we have all 15 of these 42 volt modules wired in series. That's going to be 630 volts, but only 8 amps of current. When we wire in parallel, the current is additive and the voltage stays the same. So right here we've got one PV source circuit that's running at 630 volts and only 8 amps. When we look at those fuses, we would have to use the higher rated fuse, the one that's rated for 1000 volt maximum, because we have 630 volts and the 600 volt fuse is insufficient.